In this question, principal explains to us about a valid consideration. Okay, facts in the present question are: Ankit promised rupees 50,000 to Vijay for the repair work of swimming pool. Vijay started repairing the work. Later, Ankit refused to pay the promised 50,000 to Vijay. Decide whether Ankit would be liable to pay Vijay or not. So in this question, the correct option would be A, that is, Ankit is liable to Vijay because based on his promise, Vijay had started the repair work. A mere promise, as is clear from the principle, which states that mere promise without consideration does not create a binding legal obligation. Explanation: when a person acts on the promise made by the other person, it is a valid consideration, making A the correct option because Vijay had started the repair work on the basis of Ankit's promise, making A the correct option.